What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Snap on Friday. Hamilton's outside, so let's go see what he's got.
Give away the Traxxas Truck, give away the AR-15, and give away the Crossbow. Somebody, we're going to have 3 tickets up on the board this evening. I'm going to post them on my page. Let everybody comment, see who has what tickets, and try to find the winner. I hope we find winners today.
What time are you going to do this?
Whenever I get home.
Oh, Lord.
So 5, 5:30, 6, somewhere around there.
Ooh, that's a new box. That's a different, that was a blue looking color.
Supersonic blue.
Supersonic blue.
Somebody said it's the color like the new Chevrolet trucks. Hell, that just devalued the box.
Hey, easy there.
Supersonic blue.
But they got the little cameras on there.
Yeah, buddy.
As far as the drawing, this is all I got left of everything that we had. Ooh, excuse me. Right here, is all that's left. But whatever don't get sold today, just gonna go on the shelf. Cause we drawing tickets today. We're gonna find us some winners today.
Believe you stay starting a new drawing.
I don't know what I'm gonna do next. We're gonna do something, I ain't sure what it is though.
Well, what's the catch with all this? Is this like a GoPro?
Yeah, like a GoPro. Gives all the specs on the back of it. I haven't used one yet personally. Matt Foster, the guy who runs the Columbus area, he put one on his gun and just did some videos when he's out in the woods and stuff. Yeah. He said that as far as, he said the clarity and everything on it, he couldn't see no difference in that compared to his GoPro when he was doing his videos on the GoPro.
Well, what?
He said they,
what's the prices on them?
$150.
$150. Really? Snap-on action camera.
4K.
Okay. Bill, you could get one of them, and then when you're using your wireless charger in the shower, it'll be waterproof. Well, you
Wait.
Sorry about how it works.
Bill's recording stuff in the shower?
No. My phone don't even go in the
last week
bathroom.
he used his little battery socket thing. He said he used it in the shower, remember?
Yeah.
No, I left it in the living room while I went to take a shower.
Backtracking now, honey.
Oh, me.
My wife is,
Your wife using it in the shower?
She has commandeered my charger yesterday, and she left it in her mama's vehicle yesterday.
Uh-oh.
So, I probably won't get it back now. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Got some barbecue grill sets left. What you getting on that whole little kit down there?
I'll take $100 on it today. That's a nice little kit.
What do we got here? That screwdriver's missing something. 2 batteries?
Is all them snap-on bits in there?
I'd have to pull it out and see.
That one is. That one is too.
They probably all are then. Snap-on bits lifetime warranty. Yeah. Yep. Them normally like $5-6 a piece right there. It's a 7 volt, but you can run the 14 volts in them.
You can? Well, I will be dang, Bill.
You wouldn't take a trade on a 7 volt, would you?
I didn't know you could run the 14 though.
Yeah, you can run the 14 into 7, but you can't run the 7s into 14.
I'll just take that joker then. Sure will.
You didn't answer my question. You wouldn't take some 7 volt trade-ins, would you?
Yeah.
That's sold now. I just bought it. You didn't hear me? I said it's sold.
The paperwork ain't complete yet, brother.
Done.
How much you say?
100.
I'll give you 101 for it.
He makes some money on it. Make some money on it. What ounce is this one? 56 ounce. You ain't got no lighter, do you?
They go a whole lot lighter from there from what I got right now. That's a 24.
Oh, that's a horse right there.
It don't bounce when it hits.
Oh,
This is discounted.
Yeah, that's right.
You ain't heard that.
Well, it's not 2,000 off that box now.
Oh, I didn't know you could run the 14 volt batteries in there.
Yeah.
Ain't that cool?
It works twice as good with 14 batteries.
But we'll be twice as fast where we'll be 7 volts.
They don't blow up.
These little bitty ones right here, that turned out to be probably my favorite ones that I use out of all of them now.
Really? Why you like the little ones the best?
Conversate.
That's right. That's right. I'll sit right there.
I ain't got wrong with my box for this yet. I do have the 2 real long ones.
That's what I got, and they just barely do. Like I got the plastic mushed together trying to get them all in there.
Yeah, a lot of mine's already like that on the end. You got the bottom of them smashed in.
I got some of mine's got busted corners in them because it's a dang gum full in there.
Yeah, this is the one I got right here.
Yeah, that's the same one. You never get to come back at this part of the truck.
You got a box.
This is always full. Looks funny.
So that orange box that's back there. So the box that's up here. We got a big surprise next week, but we'll show what that is next week.
Awesome.
Clay may know what it is already. I don't know.
We like big surprises.
Yeah.
Yep. Sure enough.
And then all this will be gone. This goes off today, but we have new stuff up here next week. Hopefully, I'm probably gonna run all the cordless stuff next week.
We're gonna get some coast lights.
That'd be real nice if they come in.
Real nice. Alright, well I guess that'll do me. We gotta get your truck in here and get it working on it.
Yeah, if you go up in front, it's only about $1.40 up there on the other side of the wall. Hot box.
We're gonna fix that here in just a second.
This is back here working overtime.
What you buying, Bill? You gotta buy something.
I might just get one of these cameras and see how good it is.
You gonna be a videographer? Start a vlog?
Nah,
The day in the life of Bill.
it's boring, I promise you. Wouldn't nobody watch it.
I don't know, you start taking them battery chargers in the shower now. There'll be somebody go watch it.
100,000 subscribers before you know it.
Oh, Bill. What's wrong, Bill? Man, you went through the hatch. You only got 2 left. 3 left.
3 of them.
Wow.
I know we got more of them in.
Diesel. He said, hell.
Hey, you see,
I've
finally.
been waiting on that air conditioner.
He trying to bite you yet? Not yet.
He's worried about getting on here.
Yeah. What's he saying at the door?
Alright guys, I'm gonna turn this thing off and get Hamilton paid. We'll show you what we got. Y'all hang in there. Alright guys, y'all seen Hamilton had a pretty awesome truck today, so we got a couple of goodies, so let's get into it and I'll show you what we got. I'm gonna start with Bill's stuff. He bought him one of those 4K action cameras, the snap-on. That part number is SSX18P142. And then that came with another one of the socket battery chargers, so Bill will be able to fire that bad boy up anytime he wants to. And I got the 3-piece 35-degree bent needle nose plier set. That part number is PL3935CF. So these things will come in pretty handy. And the last thing I bought, you guys seen me looking at the kit on there. It's the 7.2. But the cool thing is it also works with the 14.4s. And we used it a while ago when we changed the evaporator out on Hamilton's truck. Worked great. And in the kit, what's pretty cool, so I can get it where it don't all fall out. You see it's got a ratchet and screwdriver. All of these are snap-on bits, another charger, and 2 batteries. And I got it for a good, cold $100 bill. So, that's awesome. Anyway guys, that is my video today. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you a time, don't cost you a dime. It will cost you a little time, but that ain't gonna cost you no money. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell, and that way you will get the newest, most freshest of all content. You guys have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time.